Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love and relationship. And on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Virgos. So on your side we have the Hermit. Let's see what's there on your person side. On your person side we have the Page of Cups. The most likely outcome of this situation. Is the Magician. That's beautiful. So on your side we have the Hermit. So you are trying to look within, trying to perhaps make a decision, or you're trying to find answers to something. Okay, some sort of soul searching, and you're feeling maybe you are retreated, you're just being to your own self, but you're thinking deeply. You really want to find answers to something. Okay, it's like deep thinking, and just we'll see what that is. On your person's side we have the Page of Cups. So somebody here is ready for a new beginning, and they want to offer you their love. They want to perhaps propose you or whatever it is, but definitely somebody here is offering you their cup of love. It's a new beginning, and with as the most likely outcome we have the Magician. So definitely you both are manifesting this relationship. Okay, let's see, why is this Hermit here for? Why is this Hermit here for? So for the Hermit we have again the Hermit. Oh, the Sun and the Six of Cups. Okay, let's see, why is this Page of Cups here for? What is this Page of Cups on your person's side? So we have the King of Wands, it's the Eight of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, why is this Magician here as the most likely outcome? Why is this Magician here as the most likely outcome? So for the Magician we have the Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So Virgos, you are definitely totally withdrawn and retreated. You are thinking hard, thinking deep, and in the pursuit of all that you are even healing yourself. So perhaps you people are not talking. Okay, that's what I feel. There has been a phase over here in which I think you people are not talking, and even if you people are talking, but you have not, I really don't think that you have opened up to this person. Even if there is a communication, I really don't feel there is. They want to communicate, yes, but I really don't feel there is any communication. You still, even if you are talking, that may be a little bit of a superficial type of a hello, hi, or initial conversation type of a thing. But deep within, you are still feeling lonely. You still have the desire of something is going on in your mind. Something else is going on deep within you. Okay, it's not something fishy or bad, but it is something you feel that what do you want in your life? What exactly are you looking for this relationship? What actually you want in life? What is your soul purpose? What is your soulmate? How should the person be? What are you actually looking for? Are you really ready for the relationship? Do you really want it? Or maybe what is the purpose of your life? You're thinking really deep about it because your issue is that you want happiness, and I think in this mode you do feel happy. Okay, you are really thinking, I think it's retreat, there is meditation, there is spirituality, you are coming to, it's like peace within yourself. That's what I feel. Talking about some sort of inner healing also, and all this meditative mind, I should say. It is a meditative mind. Things are going deep within you. Even if there is a communication, but it's like, okay, The communication is there, but then you're not fully into it. Okay, you are talking, being nice and being goody goody, fine, but then you know what you actually want, and that is what you're trying to figure out. Okay, and you are really happy in this mode because you are trying to look for the answers within, and once you are able to get that to the point, you it's like maybe you're searching for your happiness, and perhaps your happiness lies with the Six of Cups. That's what I feel. It is something from the past, someone from the past whom you really wish to be back, perhaps. And that is what you are perhaps thinking of. That's what I feel. Okay, with the Six of Cups, you are wanting some sort of a reunion, somebody from the past, it's some soul reconnect, soulmate type of an energy, somebody with whom you really connected with deeply, perhaps. It's something like that. We'll see. Anyway, let's proceed. On your personal side, we have the Page of Cups. For the Page of Cups, we have the King of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. So definitely with Wands, there is a lot of passion over here in this person's side for you. This person really wants to communicate with you. Maybe they will communicate, or they are actually communicating. It is, or maybe it is a one-way communication, because I really don't see you communicating much. You are in a listener's mode, perhaps. If you're talking, I'm saying perhaps you're talking, I really don't see any communication from your side. But still I'm saying, because if somebody is talking so much, at least you must be responding to them. So anyway, maybe this, because this person really wants a new beginning, they have a lot of passion, and they are in and out, in and out. This was a restless, I don't know, with a lot of communication also, a lot of passionate communication. It is a totally restless type of an energy I'm getting here. A lot of passion bubbling in, and I really can't, I don't feel that this person will be able to resist talking to you or coming to you, approaching you, sort of. Okay, this person is not going to stop. They really have a passion, a lot of passion for you. For the Magician, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So here what I feel is there has been a point in which you've been ignored and depressed. There is a grieving here on somebody's part. Somebody is grieving some sort of a loss here, and maybe that is what it is which you're trying to reconcile and bring back in your life, because you realize that it is your soul connection and it's your source of happiness, and it may be them, but somehow I'm not getting that vibe. I don't know. And with the Nine of Cups, really this is what you are manifesting. You feel ignored and dejected. Some sort of a loss has been there in your life. Perhaps you want to, and that is what you want to manifest. You want to overcome this loss, and that is your source of happiness. Again with the Nine of Cups, that's what I'm getting. Something or someone who made you feel ignored or rejected, or you're grieving the loss of, if they have not, it's not, you're missing them, sort of, I can say that. You're grieving the loss of someone, you're missing someone very hard, I should put it that way. I think not ignored and rejected, but you're missing them hard. That's what I feel. And with the Nine of Cups, this person is your sort of this is something which you really want to manifest and correct in your life. That's what I feel. And with the Three of Pentacles being next, what I feel is maybe it is a sort of a friendship or something like that in which you feel happy. Maybe you people were friends, maybe you are wanting your friend back, I don't know, can be that. Or maybe you meet them at a friend's place or something, it can be that, or at a workplace, or a public place, or somewhere where it's not a lover's type of an energy, it's something. Or maybe you were like this, you were friends, it can be that. But what I feel here is that you want to correct this situation in your life. Maybe it was that person, I don't know, maybe now they are feeling the passion for you, but somehow I don't know why. What is this? Maybe this person is back. Since it is a love read, I should say this only, that it is about this person, but somehow I am feeling as if this is somebody else and this is somebody else. Or maybe that you know this is the person, but before you say yes to them, you want to put things right over here, because that is where your heart and soul lies. It can be that also. It's like maybe you need to correct this aspect of yours before you are able to move forward. It can be that also. I don't know with whom is it going to resonate. Anyway, I'll be taking the extended to this reading on Patreon, and the link of that will be given in the description box below. What's the message from the universe? Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. Number 32 may be of some significance for you. So again, that's what I'm saying. Maybe it is a relationship pattern in your life which you are facing, and that is what needs to be corrected. That's what I'm saying. The vibe is that you are trying to, your mind is somewhere else, and this person is showing up. You know this person is there, but you have the need to correct something before you dive into something else. I don't know. It's coming off like that. I think it's a good idea to click the link in the description box and just see what's next and what is the additional message to it. Anyway, I just hope it helps. Thank you and thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.